There's something magical about vinyl. The warmth, the ritual, the way music feels alive in your hands. But here's the truth, buying your first turntable? It's terrifying. Walk into any store or scroll through Amazon, and you're hit with a million choices. Cheap suitcase players that ruin your records. Vintage gear that needs more love than you can give. And audiophile equipment that costs more than your rent. Choose wrong, and you'll wonder what the fuss is about. Your records will skip. They'll wear out fast. And that warm analog sound you dreamed of? You'll never hear it. I've spent weeks testing the most popular beginner turntables of 2026. Starting at number 1. U-Turn Orbit Special, Gen 2. Best overall. This U-Turn record player does an excellent job of balancing price, performance, and style. The brand allows you to customize certain features for various upcharges. The U-Turn Orbit Special is a sleek, modern turntable that strikes an impressive balance between performance and price. At around $549, it offers excellent sound and craftsmanship, thanks to premium components like an Audiophile 2M red cartridge, an acrylic platter, a one-piece magnesium gimbal tone arm, and smooth electronic speed control. In testing, the Orbit Special delivered full, rich, natural audio with clarity and texture you won't get from cheaper players. It's a mostly manual turntable, but the built-in electronic speed control for 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute makes switching record speeds quick and convenient. Though sold as a preset configuration, U-Turn also lets you customize your Orbit build, from swapping cartridges to adjusting features like speed control. A built-in preamp isn't included by default, but you can add one at checkout for $80. Number 2. Victrola Automatic. Best for beginners. This entry-level player has Bluetooth support and a fully automatic design, which makes it a perfect fit for beginners who want a simple and affordable turntable that still delivers solid quality. The Victrola Automatic is a great starter option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of vinyl. It's perfect for people who are tempted by the idea of listening to records but are put off by manual controls and complex technical aspects. Victrola offers a range of models, but the Automatic's budget-friendly price, ease of use, built-in Bluetooth support, and decent overall sound quality make it the brand's best record player for beginners. I spent several weeks comparing different entry-level turntables, and the Victrola Automatic stood out above the rest. Its compact size means it can fit in most locations, and it also features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to easily stream to any wireless Bluetooth speaker without worrying about cables, an AV receiver, or an amplifier. Number 3. Audio-Technica at LP60X. Best budget. The Audio-Technica at LP60X is an excellent record player for buyers who want an affordable starter turntable. Its plastic parts aren't the best, but it delivers great overall performance for the money. If you're looking for a budget record player and you're only interested in wired playback, the Audio-Technica at LP60X is my top pick. Since it lacks Bluetooth, it's not quite as beginner-friendly as the Victrola Automatic, but it's often cheaper and delivers a great experience for the money. The LP60X is a fully automatic belt-drive turntable, so it's easy to use and doesn't require a close watch. It has an integrated preamp and uses a solid at VM95C cartridge, which delivers good sound quality without overly sharp high frequencies. The cartridge is also replaceable, so it's easy to upgrade to a higher-end component if you ever want to. Bluetooth isn't supported, but you can hook up any pair of regular stereo speakers with wires. However, you'll need a separate amp if you're using passive speakers that don't have their own built-in amplification. Number 4. Fluance RT81 Plus. Best mid-range. The Fluance RT81 Plus is an excellent mid-range record player that serves as a great step-up model for listeners looking to upgrade from a budget turntable. Fluance RT81 Plus is a great choice for people looking to upgrade from an entry-level turntable. It's my top mid-range pick for the best record player under $500. This model costs about $350, has a solid wood construction, and uses premium components that breathe life and sparkling clarity into that trademark analog sound vinyl lovers crave. Beyond the solid body, the RT81 Plus uses 3 adjustable rubber feet to help isolate the sound from vibrations. A 3mm acrylic mat also helps create a better sonic experience with less static than felt. This unit boasts precision and quality that you can both feel and hear. Its deep, resonant playback is impressive for its price point. Number 5. Pro-Ject Debut EVO 2. Best for enthusiasts. This sleek and stylish record player is geared toward enthusiasts willing to spend up for higher-end components. It delivers fantastic quality but is less suited for those new to vinyl as a hobby. The Pro-Ject Debut EVO 2 is a worthy consideration for music enthusiasts who want a premium record player. This turntable drips cool with its ultra-modern, clean-cut design. It's also available in several tempting satin color options. On the music side, the EVO 2 features a custom Picket EVO cartridge made in partnership with Audiophile. The carbon fiber tone arm is stable and precise, and helps resist resonance. The height-adjustable feet, featuring TPE damping, enhance stability and help reduce unwanted vibrations. There's an electronic speed control for 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute record options, cleverly hidden out of sight. The Debut EVO 2's design and components make the record player feel sturdy and elegant to use, delivering a superior audio experience. There are no compromises when it comes to delivering great performance. The clarity and richness in the music I listened to were immediately evident. I also noticed more consistency across the records that I played. And there you have it, the 5 best turntables for beginners in 2026. Remember, your turntable is just the beginning. Pair it with some decent speakers, take care of your records, and you'll be hearing details in your favorite albums you never knew existed. Now I want to hear from you. Which turntable caught your eye? Are you starting fresh, or did you inherit a vintage player? Drop your story in the comments. I read every single one and I'll pin the most inspiring beginner journeys. If this guide helped take the fear out of buying your first turntable, please hit that like button. It helps other nervous beginners find their way here too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button and turn on notifications. I've got more vinyl content coming, from cartridge upgrades to the best pressings of 2026. All the turntables we discussed, plus everything else you need to get started, is linked in the description below. Go check them out. Now go spin some wax, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy listening!